In this lecture, we will try to understand reading string, example of string input from the user. Here we have one method. What is that method name? String next line. Let me say next line. We discussed about next int in my previous class. We were discussing about next int. Now this one is next line. What is this method? Advances. Let me say this one advances the scanner. Advances scanner. We already discussed scanner class in previous class. Scanner past the current line. Past the current line, isn't it? Anyway, we will try to understand. Just see this one. Import space java.util. That's what we were discussing. This particular scanner class is defined. This particular scanner class is defined in a package. This scanner class is defined in a package known as java.util package, isn't it? This one, just see. How can I compile this program? JAVAC space user input demo1.java. How can I run this program? Java space user input demo1. Isn't it? After executing this one, what will you get? Scanner space sc equal to new scanner system.in. System.in a standard input stream. This I already discussed in my previous lecture. System.out.printer enter a string. This is a message. What will it display? It will display a message known as enter a string. Now let me say I typed a string with name Preeti. Let me say Preeti. Now what happens? Just see, I typed Preeti. Now what happens? String str sc dot next line. Next line means this Preeti will be read and that will get stored in the place of str. Now what you are printing? You have entered. Just see, you have entered. I am appending str. In str, which one is there? A string Preeti is there. That's what I am displaying. Is it not simple and a straightforward program? Just let me demonstrate this. Let me say this class name. What is this class name? User input demo. Isn't it? Now let me go to command prompt. JAVAC space dot java. Isn't it? How can I run this program? Just let me run this program. JAVA space user input demo1. Let me say I am saying Preeti. What will it display? You entered Preeti, isn't it? It is simple and straightforward program. This program helps us to read string as an input. Just go through this program. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.